Like if you look at the release from Gemini 2.5 to Gemini 3, and then from Gemini 3 to Gemini 3.1, it was a good 6 months for 2.5 to 3, and it's been like 2 months for 3. And if you map that to the benchmark increases, some of the benchmark increases from 3 to 3.1 were more. So we effectively gained more against the benchmarks in 2 months than we did in 6 months. Right? So if that's the kind of exponential gain we can expect to see, now they're using this newer, better model to develop the next newer, better model. If we keep seeing that pattern, which all indicators are, we are going to see that exponential gain. We might be much closer to AGI than most people think. Now, so there's two lines of thought. So there's exponential, so the line just goes up really fast, and then there's the S curve. So it goes up really fast, and then it kind of like bottoms out, and it just goes straight. So the progress becomes more linear. That absolutely might be the case as well. Nobody knows exactly where that S curve will kick in for LLMs. Specifically, LLMs is the transformer-based architecture that has enabled generative AI to do what it does now. A lot of the problems that we're seeing now, like you mentioned, some of the hard problems, a lot of those are Erdos problems, and it's like a list of 500 very hard to solve problems that graduate students, mathematicians, they try to solve these problems to show how good they are at math or to find new ways of reasoning. Right. There are a couple of these problems that have been solved by the newest models. There might be a little bit of hype there because the way you solve these problems sometimes is through proofs or negative proofs.